Hey everyone, this is Matt from Parent Presence. Today I'm going to show you guys the Cutluxe Kitchen Knives, a set of 3. First of all, this is very nice, high quality packaging, so it does make a great gift for someone, easy to package up. And then you're going to get 3 high quality knives on the inside here. So this one I left in the packaging so I could show you guys. So it comes nice and covered. It also has a little protector as well, so it doesn't come, it's not gonna, nick you on the way out. So this is the chef's knife. So we have the 8-inch chef knife, the 7-inch Santoku knife, and the 5.5-inch utility knife. These are very high quality. They have a nice ergonomic handle and German stainless steel. They do come with the Cutluxe branding on it. This is not a sticker that comes up, that is on there. And I'm going to show you guys how to cut some garlic with this because I do love garlic. It also comes with this nice knife cleaner, so you get a little clean right there as well. So let's start off with the 5.5-inch utility knife. So cuts very easily, just cutting the garlic right there. So that is very nice. That's a nice, sharp knife. As you can see, it was very easy to cut that. It does have this very nice premium carbon German steel. Let's move on to the Santoku knife. So this is a little big. I probably wouldn't use this to cut garlic in real life, but oh, look at that. That was a nice slice there. So yep, cuts through it very easily. These are also not dishwasher safe, so you're going to have to hand wash them. You can use this that they gave you, or you could use, a towel or something like that. And let's go for the last knife, the chef's knife. So that was nice. You got a nice big cut there. So, yep, cuts very easily. Like I said, this is a very good gift for somebody. It's nice. It comes in nice, high quality packaging. Who couldn't use an upgrade to their knife set? So that's a review of the kitchen knife set of 3 from Cutluxe. We were sent this product from the company, but that's what you're gonna get. That's how you use it. That's it.